Hi everyone, this is Jody from Chunky Beads Wholesale. I've got another little tutorial for you today for backpack zipper pulls for kids' backpacks. I've made a couple already. I'm going to do a little giveaway on my page. That's just a little Shopkins one and a little Superman one, both with printed pearl beads in Shopkins and of course Superman. And I will make another one with you now to show you how to do it. Okay, what you'll need is 1mm cord clasps, which are probably a bit difficult to see, but that's a cord clasp and it's got the little ring hold on the end and the inside where you fold down on the cord. I have an 8mm jump ring and also a lobster clasp to clip onto the backpack, and of course the beads that you want to use. So let's get started. Now I use the cord because it's a lot stronger than what the tiger tail can be. I've got 2 kids in school and I found both with the bag tags with the tiger tail eventually wears down through the plastic coating and the tiger tail will snap, whereas the cord, I'm going on over 12 months now with my son and it's perfect, still working well. So I use the cord when it's for kids. So let's get started. For starters, just tie a regular knot in the end of your cord. As close to the edge as you can, but it's not a big deal, you can cut it off anyway. Okay. Grab your little cord clasp, or cord crimp, I suppose you could call it. Now I find it easier to fold the edges down just a little bit before you start so you don't have to fight with it once you've got your glue and everything in there. Now I use, to make it a little bit more secure, once again a little dab of super glue. Not a lot, just a little bit. Now, the end where you tied the knot, just slide just past the end of where you crimp down the cord crimp and close it over. So that now is all closed over. The knot at the top acts as a barrier for when the kids are pulling their zippers down, that it doesn't slip out. Even with a little bit of super glue, I've found if you don't have that knot there, sometimes they will pull straight through. So now that you've done that, you can cut that little tail off the cord so it's nice and neat, because it's not going anywhere. Okay, now grab your 8mm split ring and slide it through the hole on your cord crimp. While you've got it open, it's easier now just to add everything. So I'm going to add this little Shopkins pendant, so I'll add that on the front. Should be using my pliers that are designed for this, but I'm not. And also add your lobster. Okay, so now this is what you have. You have your lobster clasp with your rhinestone pendant and your cord hanging off the back. So now you can go ahead and thread your beads. I've got all my beads picked out here on my beading board. Sorry, that's really hard to see. So I'm prepared and know what I'm doing. Right. Once again with the little pearl beads, sometimes the coating covers the edges of the holes, so I just use the tips of my scissors to make sure the holes are open. These ones were pretty good, but okay, let's go. We're simply just threading the beads onto the cord at the back. Make sure if you're using a printed bead that it's going to be up the right way and not upside down. Okay, so now I have this. It's all thread. Now simply tie a knot in the end of the cord. Try and get it as close to the last bead as you possibly can, so it sits all neat and tidy. Now the cord's done, the beads aren't going anywhere because there's the knot on the end of the cord. Cut your cord, and if it's wax coated cotton thread, make sure you seal the ends with a lighter. This one doesn't have the wax coating, so I can't do that, but there you go, simple as that. Now you have a gorgeous little bag tag or zipper pull for kids on their backpacks for school. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back again soon. Bye.